Safe is the new clean, since clean surfaces mean safe surfaces in today's world. The trusted critical cleaning experts at Microcare bring both safety and perfectly clean to your whole workspace. Effective cleaning helps prevent the spread of viruses and germs, so important in the fight against coronavirus. Steri's workplace cleaners meet the highest safety and quality standards to keep your people and space as safe as can be. They are formulated from 70% IPA as recommended by Centers for Disease Control, CDC, for disinfecting surfaces. Clean all of your communal areas like conference rooms, classrooms, offices, restrooms, and lobbies. Steri's workplace cleaners clean everything from desks to door handles, from keyboards to phones, sinks, tools, and more. They are safe for use on stainless steel, metals, plastic, and glass materials. The mixture of 70% high-purity IPA and 30% deionized water evaporates slowly, staying on the surfaces longer for better cleaning. And the cleaners don't leave particulate, scents, or residue behind. The pre-saturated wipes are safe to use on electronic devices like touchscreens, mobile phones, and keyboards. The strong tear-resistant wipes stand up to rigorous scrubbing on rougher surfaces, and the unique slam-shut lid keeps the wipes wet and ready to use. Steri's hand sanitizer wipes, gel and spray are FDA registered as safe and compliant for sanitizing hands and everything you touch in your workspace. When you want to clean or sanitize your workplace and reduce the risk of infection, look for Steri's workplace cleaners and hand sanitizing solutions. Visit microcare.com for a distributor near you.